That'll make it a little easier to work with. About to get back to blowing. Knock it off the side. Run the more across it. And then tomorrow we're gonna pressure wash it. So y'all stay tuned. Alright. Got that blowed off. Made a nice little dent in it. Real interested to see what this wood gonna look like. See how good it bounced back when I hit it with that pressure washer. Got my little pile over here. Finna hit that with the mower. Bust it down. Then tomorrow we'll start pressure washing. Got this house about 3 years ago. So I don't know how well maintained the deck was before we got it, but this will be my first time trying to clean it up. So y'all stay tuned and we'll see. It's your boy, I am Juice 78. Later.